Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and we are going to prepare some stew beef with broad bean. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell. Make sure you tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen, and you can go ahead and follow me over on Facebook. It's Kylie J's Kitchen, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's KylieKitchen_1. So I've already gone ahead and washed and cleaned up my beef just to remove some of the excess fat from my beef, and I also wash it with some vinegar and lime. All right, so I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna season. I went ahead and add some pimento seeds. I crushed the pimentos. I tried and I also added some black pepper, as you can see. So I'm gonna go in and add some all-purpose seasoning, and I will also go ahead and add some Italian seasoning. Now I love to use Italian seasoning. I think it gives your meat a nice flavor and taste. All right, so now I'm gonna go in and I'm also gonna add some browning. All right, I find this browning to be a little bit weak, so you want to add just a little bit more, a little extra, to bring up that color that you're looking for. I will also go in and add some of my hot and spicy soy sauce, and then I'm gonna go in and add some chopped onions, some French thyme, and also some garlic and some of my scallion, if I didn't say that before. So you just want to go ahead and use a spoon, or you can just put on a gloves on your hand and combine everything together. And you want to ensure that your beef is properly seasoned. All right, we don't want any unseasoned beef around here. We want to ensure that our beef is properly seasoned. So I'm seasoning this from Saturday night, and I'm just gonna cover it and place it in the fridge until Sunday at 1 o'clock. So you see, enough time for it to marinate. So I like this color, so I'm gonna work with this color. So I'm not going to put any more browning in it. All right, but if you guys don't like the color, you can always go in and add just a small amount. So now it's Sunday and it's about 1:15, so it's time to go ahead and prepare my stew beef. So I'm gonna pressure my beef. So I added just a small amount of vegetable oil, so I'm gonna go in and add my seasoned beef, and I'm gonna add some warm water to this. Never you add cold water to your meat. All right, always make sure that the water is warm. Of course, you just want to stir that for about a minute or two. Then I'm gonna go in and add my warm water, as I said earlier, and I'm gonna pressure this for roughly about 25 minutes. This beef is not tough. You know, sometimes you buy some beef at the supermarket and it's a bit tough. This one is not tough, so I'm gonna pressure this for 25 minutes. And you also want to ensure that you pour enough water that will cover your beef. All right, so I'm gonna pressure this and come back and show you guys what it looks like. All right guys, so after 25 minutes, this is what my beef looks like. Call it about 25 to about 30 minutes. This is what my beef looks like. So I'm gonna go in and season my beef. You see that? You see the consistency already, guys? So I'm gonna add just a small amount of all-purpose seasoning again, and some more Italian seasoning to all of that. Combine everything together, and I will also go in and add my seasoning again. I'm gonna add some onion, some Scotch bonnet pepper, some garlic, some French thyme, and my scallion. And then I'm also gonna go in and add just a small amount of ketchup. And the ketchup helps to give your gravy a thickness and also taste. All right, so I'm gonna go in and add one of the main ingredients, which is the beans, and this is broad beans. Some persons don't like broad beans. You can always go ahead and add butter bean, or I have another recipe on my channel for stew beef with spinners. You can always go ahead and add spinners if you don't like the beans. All right, so as I said earlier, I'm gonna add some ketchup now to it, and then I'm gonna cover it and left it to just simmer down, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final product. And I'm gonna serve this up with some rice and peas, some fried ripe plantains on the side, some lettuce for Sunday dinner. All right, stay tuned guys for the final product. Alright, so this is the final product of my stew beef with broad bean. As you can see, looking lovely, tasty guys. I love it. It's actually my first time cooking beef, and I just want to just eat it by itself like this. But I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.